The honey badger is reputed to have the greater honey guide as its partner. The bird leads the honey badger to bees' nests by calling for it to follow. It relies on the mammal's strong claws to break into hives it has previously found. Oddly, this partnership has yet to be proven by science, but these people have not only witnessed it, they too are regularly guided by the bird. By flying to and fro and calling, it leads the honey gatherers to a bee's nest several kilometers away. Studies show that the bird knows every hive within 250 square kilometers. The honey gatherers rely on the bird for their livelihood and always leave some comb as a reward. As for the badger, its ancestors were probably in this relationship before people even appeared on the scene.